Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. Today we are doing another speed pick in our quest to leave no leaderboard left unfilled on speedlocks.org, and we're going to be picking this 20mm brass Ace Padlock. This was given to me by EAC and Polar Bear in the Deadlocks challenge box, and it has some pretty favorable bidding for speed picking. So we're going to go ahead, throw it in the vise, and get this episode started. Okay, got the key, it does work. And let's go ahead and get this open. And it's open. Let's do that one more time. All right, 1 second. I'll turn the mic on this time. And we got it open. And one more time, just to be certain. Oh, not a good time on this one. It wouldn't be a speed picking video if there wasn't a failed attempt. Alrighty, and that should do it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys think you have what it takes to beat my time, go ahead and submit your times to speedlocks.org, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.